Let's start with the basics. We're going to demystify one of the most crucial components in your computer. What exactly is a CPU? What role does it play in the overall performance of your system? Think of it as the brain of your computer. The central processing unit, or CPU, is where all the magic happens. It's responsible for handling every single instruction and command you give it, from opening a simple document to running complex software. It sits snugly on the motherboard, the main circuit board of your computer, processing billions of calculations every second, constantly working to keep everything running smoothly. This rapid processing power is what makes your computer responsive and functional, allowing you to multitask and run demanding applications without a hitch. Without a CPU, your computer is just a lifeless box, incapable of performing even the most basic tasks. It's the engine that drives everything. CPUs come in different types and flavors, each designed for specific purposes and workloads. There are standard ones for everyday tasks like browsing the web, writing emails, and creating documents, and then there are high-performance gaming CPUs built to handle demanding workloads like video editing, 3D rendering, and of course, gaming. The right CPU is crucial. It's one of the most important decisions you'll make when building or buying a computer. It directly determines how fast your computer feels, how smoothly it runs, and what kind of tasks it can handle without slowing down. Standard CPUs focus on efficiency and cost-effectiveness, providing a good balance of performance and affordability for general use, while gaming CPUs are built for raw power and speed, prioritizing performance above all else. In the next scenes, we'll break down the key differences and what sets these two types of CPUs apart, so you can make an informed decision and choose the right one for your specific needs and budget. Remember, it's not always about spending more money, it's about spending smart and getting the best value for your investment. Standard CPUs are the workhorses found in most laptops and desktops. They're designed for everyday tasks, web browsing, emails, streaming, and office work. With moderate core counts and integrated graphics, they balance performance, efficiency, and cost. Integrated graphics mean you don't need a separate graphics card, keeping things simple and affordable. For most users, a normal CPU is the practical choice. Reliable, cool, and energy efficient. It's perfect for multitasking and light creative work without breaking the bank. In short, it's the dependable family car of the computing world. Gaming CPUs are specifically engineered for one thing: to deliver unparalleled speed and power. They represent the pinnacle of processor technology, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in the world of gaming and high-performance computing. These CPUs are meticulously designed to effortlessly handle the intense and ever-increasing demands of modern AAA games, complex simulations, and resource-intensive creative applications like video editing and 3D rendering. They are the workhorses behind the most immersive and visually stunning experiences. To achieve this level of performance, they feature significantly higher clock speeds, allowing them to execute more instructions per second, and a greater number of cores, think 8, 12, or even 16. This abundance of cores enables smooth gameplay, even when you're streaming your sessions live or running multiple applications in the background, ensuring a seamless multitasking experience. Unlike standard CPUs designed for everyday tasks, gaming CPUs often intentionally skip integrated graphics. This design choice assumes that you'll be pairing them with a powerful dedicated GPU to handle the graphical workload. This strategic combination ensures that your high-end graphics card isn't held back by a weaker processor, allowing it to reach its full potential. The result is consistently high frame rates, reduced stuttering, and incredibly seamless visuals, providing a competitive edge and a more enjoyable gaming experience. However, the increased performance of gaming CPUs comes at a cost. They consume significantly more power and consequently generate more heat. This necessitates the use of robust and efficient cooling solutions, such as liquid coolers or high-performance air coolers, to prevent overheating and maintain optimal performance. Gaming CPUs are undeniably pricier than their standard counterparts. But for serious gamers, content creators, and anyone who demands the absolute best performance, the investment pays off handsomely in terms of increased productivity and enhanced entertainment. So, if you want the absolute best possible experience for gaming, live streaming your gameplay to the world, or tackling demanding video editing projects, then a gaming CPU is the powerful engine that will drive your system to new heights. It's the supercar of processors, a finely tuned machine built for extreme performance and responsiveness. It's meticulously built for those who demand nothing less than the absolute best in processing power and overall system performance. Let's put them side by side, examining the key differences between a standard CPU and one designed for gaming. We're going to break down what each type of processor brings to the table, helping you understand which one is the right fit for your computing needs. When we look at the specifications, the differences are clear. We can see distinctions in core counts, clock speeds, and integrated features. Standard CPUs typically offer fewer cores. This design choice prioritizes efficiency and cost-effectiveness for everyday tasks. They also tend to have lower clock speeds, which contributes to reduced power consumption and heat generation. This makes them great for multitasking, handling office applications, browsing the web, and general daily use. They are designed to be reliable and efficient for a wide range of common computing activities. Gaming CPUs, on the other hand, are built to push higher speeds and pack in more cores. This allows them to excel in games, video editing, and other demanding tasks that require significant processing power. Integrated graphics are standard in normal CPUs, providing basic graphical capabilities for display output. However, gaming CPUs typically expect a separate, dedicated graphics card to handle the heavy lifting of rendering complex game environments. Power and cooling needs are modest for standard CPUs, allowing for simpler and more affordable cooling solutions. But gaming chips, with their higher power consumption and heat output, often require advanced cooling solutions like liquid coolers to maintain optimal performance and prevent overheating. Price is a big factor. Standard CPUs are designed to be budget-friendly, making them accessible to a wider range of users. In contrast, gaming CPUs and their required extras, such as high-end motherboards and powerful cooling systems, can get expensive fast. The extra cost in gaming CPUs goes to specialized engineering, allowing for higher clock speeds, more cores, and ultimately, raw performance. Ultimately, the best choice depends on your specific needs and priorities. Don't pay for power you won't use. Consider what you'll primarily be using your computer for. It's all about matching the CPU to your workload to achieve the best balance of performance and cost. So, which CPU should you pick? It depends on what you do. For students in office work and family use, a standard CPU is perfect. Affordable, efficient, and more than capable. No need to overspend on power you'll never use. But if you're a gamer, content creator, or need serious muscle for editing and 3D work, a gaming CPU is worth the investment. The right CPU saves you time and frustration, letting your system shine where it matters. There's no universal best, just the best for you. Identify your main tasks, set your budget, and choose wisely. The right CPU is the perfect brain for your digital life.